let my social media comments decide where I go camping. Now, last week I posted this video. I'm going to let the comments on this video decide where we go camping next weekend. So basically I'm going to be going through and choosing one comment and going to that place, checking it out, filming a YouTube video, and I'm going to send some merch out to the person that we choose. It's got to be New South Wales, preferably on the East Coast. And yeah, leave a comment down below of where you think we should go camping. Now, I had quite a few suggestions, a lot of which I wasn't even aware of that were in New South Wales, such as Afghanistan, England.
What are you laughing for? Why are you laughing for? I'm being serious. I'm being serious. No, you see, I'm talking facts here. I don't do if, buts and maybes.
And Belgium.
Belgium is not a nation. It's an artificial creation. I know the Brits did it.
But after reading through all the comments, I ended up going with this comment from Ben. He suggested Evans Head in New South Wales. It's only about an hour and a half away from where I live, so I thought, why don't we go and check it out? We ended up doing some crabbing, a catch and cook, some fishing, played some golf, and just checked out the town. Now, I was a little bit slack with the filming. I didn't get too much footage, but I got enough to make a video. If you like this content and you want to see more stuff like this, make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below where you want to see us go camping next. If the video does well, I'll put a bit more effort into the next one. All right, that's enough talking from me. Let's get stuck into it.
HS on the beat.
Righto, we're just in the car on the way up to Evans Head. Shout out to Ben for picking the spot. Yeah, I've never been to Evans Head before, so I'm keen to go and check it out. Throwing my new canopy on, just temporarily mounted it for the moment and just shoved a heap of gear in there. Back to the swag and the bloody, what's that thing called? Gazebo. Yeah, I've got no second battery or anything in the canopy at the minute, so we did get a powered side. So camping today is going to be a little bit all over the shop, but should be good. Yeah, we're about, how far away are we? About half an hour away, so I'll see you when we get there.
Castle Beats.
Alrighty, we found out you can actually drive on the beach here at Evans Head, so as soon as we arrived we went down to check it out, and as we were pulling out onto the beach, his fighter jet was actually flying over, which was pretty cool. But yeah, we went for a cruise along the beach. There was a nice little freshwater creek to check out. The water was quite dirty just because of all the rain they'd had over the past few days, but other than that it was a pretty nice little drive. And then we headed back to check into our campsite. Alright, so I've just pulled up at the caravan park. We've only just temporarily mounted the canopy. You can see I've used the bloody straps here just for this weekend, and we've just done the old filler up with all the gear in the old swag. Haven't camped in a swag in a while, have we? Guess what? Someone forgot the pole, the middle pole. We can you can guess who that was in the comments.
It was not me, it was you.
But so yeah, we've had to cross set it here on the concrete and strap it down to the grass. Yeah, the old gazebo and swag. It's been a while, eh? Now we're all set up. Looks like it's just about beer o'clock, so we're going to head down to the pub, watch the footy, have a couple of beers. Got a powered site because we haven't got the battery system in this yet. So yeah, stay tuned. Next couple of weeks there'll be some videos fitting out this canopy, because we don't want to be camping like this forever, do we?
No, don't.
Anyway, that'll do for now. Alrighty, so it's the next day. I was pretty slack on the filming yesterday. I didn't get too much footage for you, but I ended up going and meeting up with my good mate Cheap, who lives in the area. He took us out to his crab traps, and we ended up getting a few nice mud crabs, so we might do a little cook up of them later tonight. All that.
Like I'm chucking this.
But we're just getting ready now to go and explore the town a little bit. It's actually, Evans Head is a much bigger town than what I thought. I thought it was just a small little town, but it's absolutely huge. The caravan park's massive. Yeah, we're gonna go for a drive, check out the town, check out a few spots, and then we might go and try and get some blackfish weed and go for a blackfish later off the break wall, but we'll see what happens. Ready to go? So yeah, we've had our coffee this morning, bit of breakfast, and yeah, let's go check out this little town. Alright, so I've just gone down and collected a bit of this blackfish weed, as you would have seen. This is actually the best bait for blackfish. I haven't done much blackfish fishing, but this is what they like to eat. Hopefully I can go down to the river and get a nice feed of blackfish, but we'll see how we go. Alright, so I found out Evans Head actually has a golf course, so I somehow convinced Chanel to come play golf with me, so we're going to go and check out the golf course and see what it's all about. I'm no good at golf, so don't expect anything good, but we're going to go have some beers, play around at golf, and yeah, see how we go.
Nice shot!
Not a bad chip, eh? From about 50 metres out. If I nail this part, you like and subscribe.
Nope. Nope.
Right, we're all finished up with golf, so we're heading back to campsite, and I might head out for a fish, try and get a blackfish for lunch tomorrow. It wouldn't be a GU trip without something going wrong. So the car's actually, I don't know if you can hear it, but the car is running on 5 cylinders at the moment. I've had a fuel leak for a while in the engine bay, and I haven't been able to find out where it's coming from. It's sort of just, once I clean it off, it sort of slowly just builds up and builds up. And yeah, I haven't been able to find where it's coming from, but it's gotten worse and worse, and I had a look under the engine bay just before, and one of me bloody fuel lines has a pinhole in it. It's not ideal, but we're gonna have to send her home and just fix it when we get home. Hey. We just went into the local spa and got some ingredients for the sweet chili mud crab tonight. Damn. Alrighty, this is my first time making sweet chili mud crab, so I didn't really know what I was doing, but I cooked up some onion with a bit of garlic, threw in 2 cans of coconut cream, chucked the crab in with a few spring onions. Now I tried to get them covered in the liquid and threw on a pan as a lid and let them simmer for about 20 minutes. Now after about 20 minutes they were done and it smelled absolutely insane. Just served it up with some rice and it was absolutely delicious. Alrighty, we couldn't get any blackfish yesterday, Arvo. So got up early this morning, got a coffee, got the fishing rod and the missus, and we're gonna head down. There was an old guy down here fishing off the breakwall, catching heaps of blackfish yesterday morning at a similar time. So hopefully they're on. It was low tide yesterday, which I think was the problem. So I think it's high tide at the moment. So hopefully we can get a blackfish to bite for a bit of lunch today. Yeah, doggy. Alright, so I was fishing for these blackfish for a couple of hours, and the only thing I seemed to be able to hook was the rocks on the bottom. So I wasn't doing too well, but this old guy that was fishing next to me was just reeling them in one after the other, and he had this big net just scooping them up, as you can see there. Anyway, I kept trying until I finally hooked up to a decent fish. That was a big one too. Fucking hell. I knew that was gonna happen. Absolutely spewing. I didn't have a net on me and I forgot I was using 8-pound line, so as soon as I grabbed hold of it, she just went dink. And straight after that, it started pissing down rain, so I wasn't able to catch any fish, unfortunately. And we also had to pack up in the rain, which was a bit of a pain, but we got it done and it was time to head home. Alright, we just packed up camp and we're on our way home. We're running on 5 cylinders because of this bloody fuel leak, which is not ideal. We've got fuel leaking in the engine bay, so hopefully we can make it home without catching on fire or breaking down. But it's only just dripping a little bit, so we should be right, I think. But yeah, it was a good weekend at Evans Head. Absolutely mad spot. Shout out to Ben for showing us the spot or letting us know where to go. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I was a bit slack with the filming, so if you like these type of videos and you want to see more shit like this, let us know where we should go and I'll put a bit more effort into the videos and do a bit more filming and stuff like that. But yeah, shout out to Evans Head. It's an absolute mad spot. If you're in the area, get down there and have a look. I'll see you later. Thanks heaps for watching. Bye.